I wish I had some toast.
Cool.
Yeah, hot. Hot.
Mom, pick up. Dude, you got to check this out. I got this toaster at Wish for Toast and it gave me toast. Yeah. Whatever, get over here as soon as possible.
Try it, dude. Wish for anything. Okay, I wish for Tom Hanks.
Hey there, I'm Tom Hanks.
No, toasty. Hot, 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 hot!
Remember, kids, toasters are mean.